Hello, everyone. This is Suhani Mendonca here, and on behalf of Global TV and Dimensions, I'm having this wonderful tete-a-tete with my lovely Anita. Hello, Anita. So today is a very, very special day. You know, they always say that the women who is our nurturer, our moms, I think they do a thankless job because nobody ever thanks them ever. And today, Anita, you got the Quiet Force Award out here in Dimensions amongst your own wonderful people. How does it feel?
First of all, I could say that this award belongs to all of you all, the quiet force behind me, always pushing me. And I have to really thank all the members of Damage, especially the board and all that, for giving me a chance always to reach out and do things.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So, as when I started, I said that, moms are never, they always take it for granted. So, what is it that you would like to say about that?
I think God has provided us in so much of knowledge, strength, and everything what we could do, that we can achieve everything. Yeah. God has made moms like that. And I never felt anything that I'm doing extraordinary. It felt very ordinary because the force was
Yeah.
the good Lord behind us. And all you have to have good friends and people. And Dimensions was a very good force. And especially Suvani, your family is also very close to me. So with all you people now, it gives me a lot of strength to do all my work and carry on. That I know that I have my back with you.
It's really amazing, Anita, when Dimensions had this category, the quiet force. Moms are the quiet force behind all of us. I always say that about my mom. She's a pillar of strength, right? And what is your advice to young moms?
Yeah. I know nowadays I feel the girls are not doing much, but we have done a lot. Yeah. And I tell never give up that this is a problem. Just go along the flow. And even if you want to be pregnant, you want to have a boyfriend, just go ahead and have it. And everything is easy.
I just love her forward thinking. I think that's brilliant.
Yeah. If you are in love, fall in love again. If you want to have a kid with husband, without husband, everything happens naturally. You want to have motherhood. You want to do business, you go with your own force and everything follows. And you will be an achiever. That is what is my mantra.
Oh, it's super. So tell me, after today, what is it that one thing that you want to achieve in your life now?
Yeah, it's really a quiet force award. I was always at the backdrop. I love support.
Yeah.
But now I think I have to take things with this award is a very big challenge for me to go ahead, and I hope to achieve it for all the things that what you all are looking forward for me to do.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. That was amazing. Really, really nice talking to you, Anita, because sometimes you meet so often, you talk so much, but I think when you sit on the seat, you see a different Anita. And it is, we love to say this, Anita Po. Right. So thank you very much. This is Suhani Mendonca signing off with the lovely Anita D'Souza.